Okay, let's look at a different type of technique. This is x squared minus 2x minus 15, and we're still looking at factoring. So we want to factor this into two binomials, just like we did the previous problem. So again, just like before, if we look at this sign right here, this tells us what to do. Okay, so if we find the factors of 15, the factors of 15 are 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. Okay, so this time, this is telling us we need to subtract two numbers to get a negative 2. Okay, so if we look at these two numbers, well, we subtract this, we get 14. And we find the difference between these two numbers, we get 2. So that's what we want. And since this is a negative 2, we want the bigger factor, the bigger number here to have the negative. Okay, and this is a dot. So I'm going to make this negative 5, and I'm going to make this a positive 3. Because when we add these together, we need to end up with a negative 2. Okay, so this becomes x times x is x squared, and then the middle term is 3x, and the outer term here is negative 5x. Okay, so negative 5 and a positive 3 gives us a negative 2, and then 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Okay, and you could always check this with FOIL or using, well, the same thing as using the distributive property. If you multiply x times x plus 3 times x, which is x times x plus 3, and then if you multiply negative 5 times x plus 3, well, this is negative 5 times x plus 3. Okay, you end up with x squared plus 3x, and then distribute this. This is negative 5x minus 15. Okay, so then the middle term here, positive 3 with a negative 5 is a negative 2x. And then we just bring down our negative 15 and x squared. Okay, so this matches our original trinomial. Okay, so this must be correct. This is our, this is in factored form. Alrighty, so again, you start with this. If this is a negative, then you're subtracting for the middle term. If this is a positive, then you're adding for the middle term.